guys, what's up? If you want to make the slime, here is the ingredients that you might need to make the slime. And let's go on to it. First ingredient, you need a bowl and a spoon. Second ingredient you're gonna need is a bowl and a spoon, as I said. Next ingredient, glue. School glue, you have to use school glue. You can't use anything else than school glue or it won't work. So, I mean, you can use clear glue. So yeah, I'm just letting that drip. So guys, how's your day been? Mine's been horrible at school. School is horrible. It ain't even Friday, it's Monday. Another nugget. How many stuff is in there? I already made 2 gallons of it, but it was both pink, so I'm going to make mine this time green. Then what you need next is some shaving cream. So that's okay, guys. I'm going to make my eyes fluffy. Dang. Then, after you're done with it, you're going to stir it till it gets fluffier and fluffier. Then you're going to get what I'm actually sitting on to hold my camera. Hold my thing. There you go, guys. Is that much more better? You need some Tide. Only a little bit. If you want to make yours sticky, then a little bit. If you want to make yours not sticky, then get a lot. But I want mine sticky, so. Still here. Then it should be solving just like that. Let us see it. See, it should be doing that. And when you want to add your color in, you can see. I tried it out some lights. It actually worked. You should go ahead and put your food coloring in, or paint, whatever you use. Put my green on it. I'm gonna make it very dark green, so I put a lot in it. Oh, it's a baby green. I need it dark. Maybe use the whole bottle. It's okay. Oh my god, guys. It's like over here, like a dark green. And it is dissolving. Look at it, guys. If you actually try this, I actually looked on YouTube. Everybody lies, but actually this time, it worked. Just need some glue. Some shaving cream. Tide. And food coloring. You should start playing with it now. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. I don't have a towel, guys. Nice one. Barnacles. Just gonna use my old laundry. Hasn't been laundry yet. Here. It's always good. Feels. It's so fluffy. I should get all the extras. That's what it should be looking like right now. If it ain't, then you're not doing it right. If it ain't be looking like this, the thing you started with, then you're not doing it right, guys. Because I tried to be fluid. And I was completely not doing it right. It was completely wrong. I don't care if I'm dirty. This is literally a spot. Dirty at. Then in a minute you should be can put your slime on the table. Mess around with it a little bit. Maybe just add a little bit more. What's this? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use that. I have to stand up, guys. I'm gonna get a little bit more, guys. Only a teensy tiny. Get a little bit, you know. Oh my god, guys. Did you just not see that? Should be almost ready like this. Might need another bowl, guys. If you hear a loud thundering, it's probably rain. It's raining right now. Then finally put it on your desk, which won't get on my desk. This ain't working, guys. Wonder why. Oh my god, there's still glue and everything that needs to be mixed. I was doing it all wrong, guys. Still everything has to be mixed and everything, guys. I really need to buy my own Tide. Just gonna use my family I might need. This table's already dirty. Sorry guys, it's taking a really long time. Okay, everything's dissolving good, but it just, you know, sticking a lot. It's what it should be looking like. It's really shiny, guys. I think it just needs to be out the water, the little slimy. Sorry if you don't see this, guys, but it is slime. It just needs to be out of the water, like detergent and OB slime. Right now, just like goop. So you really just need to let it out. Then it'll get better and better. Look at this right now. Look at it right now. Guys, it's getting better and better. Not even more stickier. Sorry, guys, you don't see the thing. See, it might take a little bit while. Guys, this slime actually works. Did you see me pause my video or anything? No. So I really didn't change my slime or anything. And I didn't make no slime that was green before. So, no. You see some green back there? It's not slime. Right. Let's get it out. It's my slime. I'm gonna call this green raspberry. And there you go, guys. That's how you make slime.